Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's on the mind of many people: how to create a budget when you have debt to pay off. Debt can be a significant burden, but with the right approach and a solid plan, you can tackle it and get on the path to financial freedom. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. Step 1. Calculate your income and expenses. The first step in creating a budget is to understand your income and expenses. This includes all of your sources of income, such as your salary, side hustle, or any other revenue streams you might have. On the expense side, list all your monthly bills, including your rent, utilities, and any other recurring expenses. Be sure to include any debt payments you're currently making, such as credit cards or loans. Once you've done that, calculate the total amount of money you have left over. Step 2. Identify areas to cut back. Now that you know your income and expenses, take a closer look at your expenses to see where you can cut back. This can include anything from dining out less to canceling subscriptions you don't use. Think about what expenses are essential and what you can do without. The goal is to free up as much money as possible to put toward paying off your debt. Step 3. Create a debt repayment plan. With your expenses under control, it's time to create a plan for paying off your debt. List all your debts and their corresponding interest rates. You can use the snowball or avalanche method to pay off your debts, depending on your preference. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debt first and then moving on to the next smallest debt, while the avalanche method involves paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Choose the method that works best for you and stick with it. Step 4. Monitor your progress. It's essential to monitor your progress as you work through your debt repayment plan. Regularly check in on your budget and track your expenses to make sure you're sticking to your plan. Celebrate the small victories along the way, such as paying off a credit card or making an extra payment on your loan. These small wins will keep you motivated and focused on your goal. Step 5. Stay committed. Finally, stay committed to your plan. Remember that paying off debt is a marathon, not a sprint. It will take time and effort, but it's worth it. Avoid making unnecessary purchases and remind yourself of your goal whenever you're tempted to stray from your plan. Keep the end goal in mind and stay focused on achieving it. That's it for today's video on creating a budget when you have debt to pay off. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, with discipline, commitment, and a solid plan, you can tackle your debt and get on the path to financial freedom. If you have any other tips or tricks for paying off debt, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.